cow a bite?
Mm-hmm. Give cow a bite.
No.
Cheese for Jack.
No.
No.
Ow!
Oh, is he biting you? What about Dinosaur? Does he want some eggs?
No car.
Dinosaur?
No car.
Dinosaur.
Gunner.
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Hot.
Are they hot? Blow on them?
Oh.
Uh-oh. I'll fix them. I'm fixing them. Here we go. Oh, does he have to be over here?
Cow. Cow.
Cow?
Go.
Yeah.
Cow go.
Cow's in your hand. Other hand. There he is.
Ball. Open. Got ball. Ball.
They fall? The sheep, you mean the sheep when the sheep fell down?
Cow.
Yeah, cow's okay. Look, he's standing up. Oh, now he fell down. Now he's back up.
Tail.
He's got a tail. Let me see. There you go. Oh, you don't like that? Look, sheep's eating your eggs. Nom 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 nom. He's stuck.
Jack.
Jack? Eggs for Jack?
What's an egg?
Hmm?